Okay, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. We talked about the cabinets that we did a refinish on. Now we're doing the countertops, and I showed you a little bit about the countertops. Now we've actually finished the countertops. We've done all the edging. We've done all the sanding. Again, we had a 3/4 reveal at first. We didn't like it, so we went to a smaller reveal, making it look like it was one solid piece versus a piece with another piece on it. So we've done that now, and we've already put our first coat of sealer on the counter. I've also put the sink in, and this was a negative reveal sink. So basically the sink is inside the area that we had to make sure was all secure, and then put our banding edge around, make sure it was puttied, sanded, looking good. And now we are going through the process of doing the first coat of the varnish. One of the varnishes that we use is this Deft. I like it. You can actually pick this up at Amazon and get it in a couple of days. Relatively cheap. The thing I like about it so much is the fact that you can actually put this on, do a coat, lightly sand, then do another coat, and it's like glass as far as the finish. Depending on what you want, this is satin finish. We wanted to go with a satin finish. We didn't want a really high gloss on this one, but you can go over and over. Usually you'll do about 3 or 4 coats. I will leave a link at the bottom of this video for that product. I guarantee you'll love it. We start the first coat with a foam brush, and then we convert to a lamb's wool brush to make it really, really fine at the second coat, and I'll show you that one next.